welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I use this Revlon one-step hair dryer. So stay tuned. Just talk about how big this thing is. It's like the size of my face. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the Chi Iron Guard, sweet little heat protector, all over my hair, my ends, and then I'm gonna apply this Aquage, I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it's supposed to like provide some shine and make it smoother for you to blow dry the hair. So I just kind of apply this only to the ends. Sorry. So I only apply this to the ends because it makes your hair a little bit greasy, and I don't want the top of my hair to look greasy. I'm just gonna part my hair in the middle. Because I have like pretty thin hair. It takes me like, I want to say less than 10 minutes to do my whole freaking hair. I'm just gonna do this. And I take about a good amount of hair because it is pretty big. So I'll just take a big chunk of my hair, and then I really like to work it into the brush several times while also changing directions. And then I'll just continue to work the hair into it. When I'm done with that piece, I like to give it a little twist at the end, even though I'm not really sure if that does anything. If you are going to use this brush, I recommend using the low heat setting because the high heat setting is just way too hot. I've actually burned my hand touching my hair because it was so hot, which is another reason why I don't use this brush to dry my hair. I did do my bangs off camera because I use a regular blow dryer for that. This brush is just way too big, and I really don't feel like burning my face off. And yeah, I'll just keep doing this throughout the rest of my hair. And yeah, that's how I style my hair using the Revlon one-step hair dryer. Super easy, and I didn't even have to worry about a brush in one hand and a blow dryer in the other. So thanks for watching.